In this video, I'm going to show you which is the best way to double cleanse. Should you use micellar water or should you use a cleansing oil? So I have Garnier micellar cleansing water all in one, and also I have this Anua heart leaf pore control cleansing oil. So let's put this in test. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Double cleansing is one popular method right now that helps you to double cleanse your skin. So that is, you can use micellar water or you can use cleansing oil. So depending on which you choose, the goal is to achieve to clean your skin well by making sure that you don't leave any makeup traces on your skin or you don't leave any sunscreen on your skin. So if you are somebody who wear makeup, sometimes wear makeup, or if you are somebody who wears sunscreen, you need to double cleanse your skin. So one side I'm going to use, as you can see, I have makeup on my skin. So one side I'm going to use micellar water, on the other side I'm going to use cleansing oil. So I'm going to start with the side that I'm going to use micellar water, that is this side. This side I'm going to use cleansing oil. So I'm going to use cotton pad to help me with the micellar water because I can't just use my hands. So I'm going to put a little bit of micellar water in the cotton pad. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you which one is actually the best way, or you can actually, will see which is the best way to double cleanse your skin. And also I have a matte lipsticks. So this is one lipstick that is matte. We're going to see which one is going to help to remove this makeup and leave my skin clean, or leave your skin clean. So one side micellar water, I'm using Garnier micellar water. So this is one side that I have, this is one side that I'm using micellar water. So I'm just going to start by doing this on my skin, and you can actually see how much makeup is coming out. Just for this is how it is. And also I also have a little bit of mascara, not much, so it's all coming out as you can see. And I'm also going to see if it's getting this matte mousse lipstick out of my skin. So as you can see, this is the side that I have micellar water. You can use any micellar water of your choice. I'm using Garnier. So far this is how it has come out. I'm actually using a little bit of more micellar water because I just love it to get this out. So this is the side I've used micellar water. You can see the difference. And this is the side that I'm going to use cleansing oil. So you can see this is makeup side and this is not makeup side. And this is what has actually come out so far. So this is micellar water. A lot of people like using micellar water, and with this micellar water it is fragrance free, safe to use, and also you can use it on both face, eyes and lips, and also it doesn't leave any residue. So we will see that if the claims are actually right. So, and let's go on this side for cleansing oil. So with cleansing oil, your hands are dry. If you're going to use your hands are dry first. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my hand. I'm going to put a little bit of cleansing oil on my hands. I'm using this Anua. This is a Korean skincare brand. So I'm just going to use a little bit of it on my hands. I don't need much because it's just one side of my face. So then I'm just going to lather it on my hands. Then I'm just going to use one side of my hands to see how it's going to break down this makeup. So this is how it's coming out. So I'm going to start with this side up. Going to start with this side. and I can see the makeup is breaking, and you can see it doesn't it's doing in my lips. I'm actually surprised by how this product is. Oh, look, sorry, it's actually going on my teeth, but look at how it's breaking down the makeup. Look at how it's breaking down that lipstick. Wow, it's amazing, is it? So I'm just going to do it all over, just to make sure that I get everything out. So far this is the difference, and this is this side. You can see all my makeup out on in my ends. I'm going to quickly wipe it out. I'm just going to wipe it out with this cloth, and you can see it's all coming out in the cloth. I'm just going in everywhere just to make sure that it's all coming out. Oh, things are getting in my... Why is my eyelashes always getting in my eyes? Sometimes it's annoying, is it? Okay, this is the cloth, and this is how it has come out. With the side that I have used a cleansing oil. Skin is at the moment. I'll let this side dry a little bit, then I can show you. So far, this is how my skin is. So this is the side that I use. This is the side that I use Garnier micellar water. Garnier micellar water. You can use any micellar water of your choice. And this is the side that I've just used a cleansing oil. You can use any cleansing oil of your choice, but in this video, I'm using Anua cleansing oil. So I am doing a double cleansing. I'm trying to compare this product, micellar water and cleansing oil, for double cleansing. I'm not going to do any swap at the moment. So I'm going to clean my face with a cleanser. So after cleaning my face with the cleanser, actually let me show you how I do clean my face with the cleanser, then we can actually decide afterwards. Before I start cleansing my face, so how is my face feeling? Is my face dry? With the side that I have Garnier micellar cleansing water, my face is not dry. It's not stripping out my skin out of its natural oil, and I can feel my skin is actually it feels like it's moistured. And the side that I have cleansing oil, my skin is also feeling the same. My skin is feeling hydrated. It has not dried my skin, or it has not stripped out my skin natural oil. So these products have not disturbed any of my skin natural barrier, and you can see how it is. So I'm going to use, for cleanser, I'm going to use this CeraVe hydrating cream to foam cleanser. I have combination skin, and right now it's very dry outside. I don't want to put anything that is going to dry my skin out, so I'm just quickly going to cleanse my face. This is how I do cleanse my face every time, and this is how actually you can use a cleanser. So I start by wetting my skin, making sure my hands are clean. Then it's always getting in my face on it all the time. So then I take a little bit of cleanser, rub it around in my hands. I love this CeraVe cream to foam cleanser. It has a creamy texture that doesn't strip out your skin. It leaves my skin very, very hydrated. Then I gently massage it on my skin for 60 seconds. So I just want to make sure that, because you're doing double cleansing, this is how you can double cleanse your skin. So after using, if you choose to use Garnier micellar water, or if you choose to use cleansing oil, you use the cleansing oil first, then you use a cleanser. So with that is a double cleansing. So I'm going to rinse this off and then show you how my skin is. Okay, this is now after cleansing my skin. So we were double cleansing, so it's using, you either use micellar water. Some people prefer to use micellar water, or some people prefer to use cleansing oil. So this side I had cleansing oil, and this side I had micellar water. So this is how I'm going to do this test, and this is real time. I'm going to take toner. You can use any toner of your choice. So this is simple soothing facial toner. So I'm going to put swap a toner on both sides and see which side has actually cleaned my face and which side is going to be the best for double cleansing, either micellar water or cleansing oil. So I'm going to start with this side that I had cleansing oil. So this is real time. So I'm just going to swap it. Make sure that I clean everything. I'm just checking if there is something coming out. But this is how it is. And just also on my lips, just to make sure I don't have anything. I just want to make sure that it gives a real time. I'm also checking before I show you. So this is the side that I had cleansing oil. So you can see how much has come out. Now I'm going to do the side that I had micellar water. So this is the side that I had micellar water. I'm just checking. This is the side that I had micellar water. This is how this product has reacted with my skin. So this is the side that I had micellar water, and this is the side that I had cleansing oil. Remember, this will give you different toners. Will always remove any traces of makeup that the cleanser or double cleansing has not removed. So I'm not surprised with seeing traces of makeup. So this means I'm not surprised seeing traces of makeup on both sides. So you can see this is the side that I had micellar water, and this is the side I had cleansing oil. I'm not surprised seeing any traces of makeup, because that is the work of toner. Toner is supposed to remove any traces of makeup that the double cleansing or your cleanser has not removed. So this is your call for you to start using toners. As much as you double cleanse, toners will always help you remove any traces of makeup that has remained in your skin. So will I choose micellar water or will I choose cleansing oil? Both of these products are okay for double cleansing, so you can use any of them, but I won't skip toning my face to remove every traces of makeup. As you can see, the side that I had micellar water, I have traces of makeup, and also the side that I had cleansing oil, I still have traces of makeup. So you can use both micellar water and you can use cleansing oil depending on what you're using to double cleanse your skin. So this is my skin right now. I feel my actually clean and very nice. So how does the side that I had cleansing oil feels like? It's not stripped, it's okay, it's high, I feel like it's hydrated. Same to the side that I had micellar water. They have not stripped my skin out of its natural barrier. So both of these products are okay, but make sure you don't skip the toning. You don't skip the toning side, especially if you're somebody who wears makeup and also wears sunscreen. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the comment section below, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you and bye bye.